Yep, I'm sure. I'm right here.
Hurry up, Bella. Go. I hear somebody.
She's on the slide.
Oh, she's in the slide too?
Yeah, I don't know if they're both.
It doesn't sound like it's very fast. Oh, sorry. No, give it here. She doesn't think. Can I get out, Abby?
Okay.
Yeah. Are you getting out?
Okay, come on. Yeah, you. She's like scared.
Oh, wait. I gotta wait for this guy to take it.
Oh, you're fine. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Come back up. Alright, come over to the side, Allie. Allie, open your eyes. You can come over to the side.
My goodness.
Good job, Kylie.
Go, Bella.
No.
Bella, hurry up.
Sally, you have swimming time. You don't need to be caught.
Bella, hurry up. Let's go.
I'm here, Bella. Like, does she know how to float?
So hold your nose when you go under, Cece.
Does she know how to like come back up?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I didn't know because she was like under there for a little bit.
Yeah, she does.
Oh my God.
Come down the slide, Bella. I'm at the end.
Who went down first?
Olivia.
Come down
Brad.
with you.
What?
Are you keeping track of how
I
much
don't know
you
if I'm
took?
allowed.
Oh, she didn't say.
Oh, what did you get?
A Bud Light.
Here, Bella. I'm at the
And
bottom.
just
You